Hey guys, JJ here with another unboxing for you guys. And to say that I'm excited about this is underselling it. I am a massive fan of Spider-Man, so when I heard that this limited edition PlayStation 4 Pro was coming out, I just knew that I had to have it. I have been in the market for a PlayStation Pro. I was thinking of buying it a couple of months ago. Then I heard that this was going to come out, and I told myself I have to wait for it. So I'm really excited to unbox this and see how amazing it looks. Just from the picture, it looks great. But yeah, less talking, more unboxing. So slice open that tape, open it up. PlayStation 4 Pro. Slide it out. Oh, let's get a quick look at that box art in the back. That looks really great. That's Spider-Man with Negative Man, I think it's called, which is, I'm pretty sure, the main villain in this game. And I've been hearing amazing things about the game in general. I've seen some gameplay of the actual game itself, and it looks like a true Spider-Man game. So here's the box that comes in the box. It's a generic white PlayStation 4 box. Let's open it up. Okay, what to expect? Quick start guide, all the manuals, paperwork. Presented with that first. Open it up. And let's take this out first. So in this smaller box, we have what I'm guessing is the peripherals. We have power cord, a micro USB cable for the Spider-Man controller, and I'm guessing what's in there is that amazing looking Spider-Man controller. How do I open this? Oh, open this, and I'm guessing I'm gonna slide it out. Yes. I think there's another cable in there. Oh, there's a couple of things. HDMI cable, and their generic little headphone for voice chat and stuff like that. And here is the controller. That's nice. That's a beautiful controller. I do wish that they added maybe like the Spider-Man logo to it. But you know, part of me does like how minimalist it is, and that they didn't do too much, but still kept it in the realm of Spider-Man. So that I really like. Really great addition to the controllers I currently own. So we'll put that off to the side. Let's get to the main part. Oh, I think we have some more paperwork. Yes. Slide this out. Oh. Before checking out the system itself, put this off to the side, we have the Spider-Man disc that was inside of that white box. I cannot wait to play this. Let's go straight to the system now. Okay. Oh, look at that logo. That looks beautiful. Slide this baby off. Wow. Check that out. That is a thing of beauty. I mean, it's a PlayStation 4 Pro, but you know, just looks so much better than the original. Everything is highlighted red. And this Spider-Man logo right there, it looks beautiful. I love it. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's my unboxing of the PlayStation 4 Pro Limited Edition Spider-Man Limited Edition. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am going to be trying this out. Excited to have a PlayStation 4 Pro. I have a 4K TV, HDR. I'm excited to finally get some actual true 4K content from my PlayStation. Excited to try out Spider-Man itself and see how amazing it is for myself. Alright, thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this special edition and the Spider-Man game itself. If you've tried it out yet, let me know how you liked it. And if for some reason you don't like it, which I think you would be crazy not to, let me know about that. Let's talk about it. And thanks again. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great one. Bye.